Merry Christmas, everyone. It's James. I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to show you my gingerbread cookies that I made for my students. Here are some of them. Aren't they cute? Every year I make about 100 gingerbread cookies and I make extra Christmas trees for the parents. Yes, I made the gingerbread dough. If you want to know how to make these gingerbread cookies, text me and I'll tell you my other YouTube channel where you can see how to make gingerbread cookies. So, I just started decorating these. Man, it smells wonderful. I really think this is a very nice thing to do, to make cookies rather than buying presents for my students, just making homemade gingerbread cookies. They're cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, lots of sugar, lots of butter, molasses, etc. Oh man. So guys, tell me what you think of these. Anyway, this is just an idea for you guys. Merry Christmas. Bye.